clinic. We now have an early look at what parents, teachers, and kids can expect as they head back to school in Bismarck. Nikaya Carrero breaks down the BPS Draft Reentry Plan and shares reaction from a parent.
In 25 pages, Bismarck Public Schools gave parents, staff, and the community a breakdown on what to expect this coming fall. First things first, the 2 instruction models. Here's Superintendent Dr. Jason Hornbacher.
In the blended model, we might be face-to-face, we might be in a hybrid model, or we might be in a total distance learning model. And so those really, it's 2 choices, with one of the choices fluctuating between face-to-face and distance learning.
Bismarck Public School families can register their kids for distant learning until July 31st. Dr. Hornbacher shared that 170 students are already registered.
We're going to need teachers for that. And so maybe it could be a win-win for some teachers that can't be in front of their class because of doctor's orders or because of federal regulations. And maybe those people can help us out in the distance platform.
While many parents are excited to send their kids back to school, some are more hesitant, like Lisa Rask, who has 2 children, a high schooler and a middle schooler with an underlying health condition.
I share their feeling of wanting to get kids back in school. I mean, I understand that. I certainly do too. I am not a teacher. I can't do what my kids as teachers do. But I also, I can't help but see just what's happened across the world. I mean, we've watched this thing roll across the world and it's getting to us.
Hornbacher says children like Lisa's are the reason the district will require everyone to wear masks when 6-foot social distance is not possible.
We do everything we can to get these kids back in school normally as quickly as we possibly can. And if we can do our part by wearing a mask and helping out somebody that might be more at risk than us, then the proposal is that we wear a mask.
I just don't see a lot of scenarios where there will be social distancing. I mean, the kids are, that's part of being in school, is part of being, in crowds.
The reentry plan is still in draft form. The next step is to make changes, then send it to the school board for consideration. Reporting for KX News in Bismarck, I'm Nikaya Carrero.
BPS also plans on training students and staff on safety and health protocols like proper hand washing, respiratory etiquette, and how to properly use a mask. While some states saw